Are you tired of settling for subpar coffee while on the go? Yearning for a portable coffee maker that elevates your brew to new heights? Look no further. In this review, we unravel the magic of the Aeropress XL Coffee Press, a 3-in-1 marvel that combines the finesse of French press, pour-over, and espresso methods. Get ready to embark on a journey to coffee perfection without the bitterness and grit. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Trouble Brew, elevating your coffee experience. Picture this: a coffee press that not only maintains the iconic Aeropress technology, but also doubles the delight. The Aeropress XL is not your average coffee maker. It's a brewing powerhouse. With the capacity to brew up to 6 shots of espresso-style coffee or 2 cups of the finest American-style brew with just one press, it's a game-changer for your coffee routine. Brew and serve carafe, seamless brewing, effortless serving. No need to juggle multiple containers. The Aeropress XL comes with a brew and serve carafe made of crystal clear Triton. Brew directly into this elegant carafe and seamlessly pour your aromatic concoction into 1 or more cups, serving made easy. Unleashing unique deliciousness beyond the ordinary. Bid farewell to mediocre coffee from fancy, expensive machines. The Aeropress XL amalgamates the best aspects of various brew methods into one patented device, delivering a smooth, rich, and grit-free coffee experience. The result? A delightful, full-bodied finish that lingers on your palate without a hint of bitterness. No cream is needed, just pure coffee bliss. Patented 3-in-1 brew technology. Innovation in every sip. The Aeropress XL stands out with its patented 3-in-1 brew technology. It's not just about pressure, it's a carefully crafted combination of agitation and microfiltration. This allows the use of finer ground coffee, as hot water is pushed through the grinds, aerating and extracting only the purest, freshest flavors. Bid farewell to grit and bitterness, say hello to perfection in every cup. Better than French press. No bitterness, no grit. The Aeropress XL raises the bar by eliminating the bitterness and grit commonly associated with French presses. The 3-in-1 brew technology ensures a smoother, richer cup without the mess of coffee grounds. Opt for paper or metal microfilters for a faster brew time and a cleaner cup. Durable, shatterproof, and perfect for travel or camping, this is innovation at its finest. Travel and gift ready, a sip of happiness anywhere. Compact, durable, shatterproof, and lightweight, the Aeropress XL is your ideal travel companion. No more settling for mediocre hotel or office coffee. Your brew goes wherever you go. And when it comes to gifting, this little coffee innovation is a present that guarantees smiles and hugs. It's not just a coffee press, it's a promise of a unique and unforgettable coffee experience. 1-year warranty, confidence in every cup. Crafted with pride in the USA, easy to use and maintain, and loved globally, the Aeropress XL comes with a 1-year warranty. We believe in the quality of our coffee press, and this warranty ensures that you can enjoy your coffee-making journey with confidence. In conclusion, the Aeropress XL Coffee Press is not just a brewing device, it's a revolution. It's about breaking free from the ordinary, embracing innovation, and savoring coffee at its finest anytime, anywhere. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.